Good morning, children. Let's go to the 16th question. We have been discussing the answers of these exercises. At first, you try to attempt these questions. Then you'll be able to understand the rules or the appropriate phrases, how to attempt these kind of questions. So we'll go to the 16th question. I would gone to the party but I was tired. Remember here, I would gone to the party but I was tired. But I was tired, that's in the simple past tense. So you have to remember that if one clause is in simple past tense, how the second clause would be. But I was tired, that's in simple past tense, so earlier clause we have to use I would have gone to the party, but I was tired. We'll go to the 17th example. She will make him do what she has threatened. Now make is a verb. The verbs of perception. There we will have bare infinitive. I see him dance. So the verbs like see, feel, touch, think. In the case of all these, we use bare infinitives. And it's a very rarely we use ing forms of them, but they have got different meaning. I hear, like ing form, and then whatever we use, the infinitive, that's a bare infinitive. So here make is there, so therefore you can't use to do. Otherwise you must have thought the answer may be to do. She will make him to do. No, it's wrong. The answer will be she will make him do what she has threatened. We'll move on to the next question, that is 18th question. Nita became very aggressive over time and started to hate her mother-in-law. Nita became very aggressive over the time. That would be the right phrase. Over the time, over the period. With the passage of time, we use those phrases. And here the right appropriate phrase will be over the time. Nita became very aggressive over the time and started to hate her mother-in-law. Let's move on to the next question. 19th one. The people of Japan are kinder than China. Now the people of Japan are kinder than China. Now remember here the people of Japan are compared. It's not Japan and China are compared. The people of Japan are compared to those of China. So what would be the right form? Kinder than those of. The people of Japan are kinder than those of China. Let's go to question number 20. As sooner do I take a dose of medicine than I have started feeling better. As sooner do I take. Now remember, there are some words, what we call them adverbials. No sooner, hardly, scarcely. When we use them, you remember that you have to use helping verbs soon after that. So there is an inversion there. Did I take is the right one. So no sooner did I take. So that will be the right one. No sooner did I take a dose of medicine than I started feeling better. We'll move on to the next question. If the room was bit bright, I would have been able to study. Now this is a conditional sentence. I would have been able to study. That's a clause. I would have been able to study. And before that the conditional clause is there. I would have been. So that's in the past tense. So naturally, in the first clause, There has to be in the past tense and past perfect tense. If the room had been brighter. So right answer is B. So 22nd one is easier one. Todd was walking off the road. Todd was walking down the road. That is the verbal phrase. Walk down. So that's the right one. 23rd. The king came upon a servant who was singing happy. See, singing. After that what should come? Adverb should come. Happy is the adjective form. So what will be the form? Happily. When he worked, is it correct? When he worked. While he worked would be more appropriate. It's a sentence improvement one. While he was working, while he worked. I'm always wondered how your one smile could make me happy for the whole day. I'm always wondered. So what would be the right form there? I have always wondered. See, more and more you read, better and better you become. Read the newspapers, read the magazines. You'll come across all these phrases. Then definitely your score will be better in the examination. Now let us move on to the next question number 25. At that time, there were a few women in management positions. So a few women is given there in bold letters. A few women. So either one of them is correct. A few women if it's a positive one, but the sentence appears to be quite negative. There were hardly any women in management position at that particular time. So at that particular time there were very few. So it's a negative connotation. So therefore you have to use B, which would be more appropriate. Few women. Let's go to the next one now. 26th. He was a man of few words. Except when he mounted the stage to recite his poetry. Remember, man of few words. So man of few words, that's a right phrase. So here B would be the right answer. Man of few words. So he, one person. So man of few words. Now we'll go to the 27th one. I will not start cooking until you have come home. So I will not start cooking until you come home. I will not start. Simple future tense. So next clause, simple present tense. So there are some rules. Be familiar with that. Simple future tense. So next what will be there? Simple present tense. Even in the case of conditional sentence we have seen, if there is simple future tense, next clause will be simple present tense. So you should become familiar with these rules. I have queued up for too long for shopping coupons. I have been queuing up. That would be the right form. I have been queuing up for too long. So period it is showing. Now let's go to the 29th one. I know you really wanted that job but you weren't hired. So it is of no good cry over spilled milk now. So here is of no good crying over. Is no good crying over. That would be the appropriate form. Although his relationship with his mother have improved somehow, he was still depressed. Although his relationship with his mother, now here, remember here, he was still depressed. That's in past tense. He was still depressed. Simple past, passive voice is there. He was still depressed. So therefore, in the earlier clause, what should come? Had improved. So A or B, both are, one of them is right. Now we have to find out now. Somehow is given. Somehow means what? And some what? Somehow means some way. Some way it's wrong. So somewhat means to some extent. So right one will be had improved somewhat. Although his relationship with his mother had improved to some extent. So that's why somewhat would be the right answer. Now let's go to 31st. They look as though they are heading to divorce. They look as though they are heading. What should be the appropriate preposition heading for divorce? So with heading, with this verb, what preposition should be used? For preposition should be used. Now let's go to the next one, 32nd one. My mom advised. See, you have to make use of apostrophe. My mom's advice. Now advice is there. That's a verb form. So what should be the right form there? Mom's advice. Advice is correct or advic is correct. So one of them is correct, B or C. In the case of apostrophe, remember that after apostrophe, when you want to show the position, it's a noun what follows. So the noun form is advic. So the right answer will be C, mom's advice. We'll move on to the 33rd one. You may not be obligated to do so, but your little goodwill can light on someone's life in many ways. Light up someone's life. So light up someone's life. So B is the right answer there. I have thought about moving to New York since I visited my friend there last summer. So she has visited her friend last summer, and since then, till this time, over the period. So what will be the right answer? So I have thought about. So it's a long period. Over the period, something you have to use. So the right one will be I have been thinking. It has to be perfect tense. I have been thinking over the period. Let's go to the 35th one. Statistically speaking, you are more like to die. Now see, more like to die. Like we use when we want to convey it's a similar thing. So likely to die, possibility. Likely to die. Now bee sting. Likely to die from a bee sting, then win the lottery. So likely to die from. So died of malaria. But there's a direct cause there, particular disease when you use died of this. But here likely to die from, indirect agent. So that's why die from will come. James has been teaching at the university since June. Since June he has been teaching. So here period of time it shows. So there's no improvement. Right answer. Do you think Jonathan might feel left off when the new baby comes? When new baby comes. This child, will he feel left out? Left out would be the right one. So might feel left out. That would be the right answer. She couldn't help but had to laugh at his reaction. She couldn't help but had to laugh. She couldn't help but laugh. See, after that, whenever you are using nothing else but when you have to use only the verb there. But laugh. So C would be the right answer there. Now we'll go to the next one. That is question number 39. The 16-day-old stand was no closer to being resolved. So here it was a kind of deadlock. 16-day-old deadlock. Stand off would be the right one. So you have to use the word stand off there. So 16-day-old stand off, deadlock. So nothing could move on further. So we'll go to the 40th one. I abstain. See, whenever you are using abstain to eating fatty foods, when I was on my diet, I abstained from eating. I abstained from eating. ING form will come. I abstained from eating. Abstained from smoking. That is why we use the word abstained. So this, remember this verbal phrase, abstain from. You had oftenly spoken at issues that are important to us, like the European tax and the system of own resources. You had often spoken about. You are often spoken about. So right one is B. You are often spoken about. Oftenly we don't use. Often spoken about. I didn't ask you as I didn't want to. Neither do I have the strength to do so. So what will come there? I didn't ask you as I didn't want to. Nor did I have the strength to do so. So here, nor did I have. That will be the right one. And we'll move on to the next one, 43rd one. I remember rightly, we were 66 years old the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. That's the right phrase, the day before yesterday. So no improvement in the case of 43rd one. No improvement. We'll move on to the next one now. The day before yesterday is correct one, so no improvement. 44th. I am always wondered what it would be like to be inside a Disneyland. I always wondered. So if you are reading quite often, definitely you will come across this phrase. I always wondered. Next one, the car driver might have panicked. See, you are quite sure definitely something has happened when he saw the buses moving in on both sides. So he must have panicked. Why might have? So sure, definite, then use must have. I was just planning to clean the bathroom, but I got carried by and did all the windows and the floors too. So he was so excited, he went on feeling like doing the work and so got carried away by. So got carried away, that would be the right one. Got carried away, A. So we'll move on to the next. They were married for nearly 50 years. See, for nearly 50 years, a long period. When you are showing long period, then in that case, you have to make use of perfect tense. They have been married for nearly 50 years. Let's go to 48th one. The punishment was deferred up to after her baby was born. The punishment was deferred until her baby was born. Until her baby was born. That would be the right one. Your sister cooks well, can't she? Remember here, whenever you are answering or whenever you are attempting any question tag question, you have to think of the verb that is there in the case of the first clause. What is the verb there? Cooks. So it's a main verb, cooks. So if you want to use a helping verb, what helping verb can you use? Does you should use. So here if it's a positive, you have to make it negative. Doesn't. Your sister, feminine. So therefore what should be there? She. Doesn't she? So right answer is B. So let's go to the 50th one, very important one. And quite often it appears in the exam. So I looks forward to hear from you soon. I look forward. I look forward. That is also correct. I am looking forward. Remember, whenever you are using look forward, looking forward would be much more better. So I am looking forward to, and after that ing form should come. I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. This is the last example we are looking at and very important example. Remember this. This example has been asked many times in the exam, particularly in spotting the errors section. Remember, I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. They'll give you here and you have to write the proper form, appropriate form, and appropriate form is I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.